Students, in last period we studied that is a mean. So now today we are particularly talking now that is a median. So what are about this median? Median means the median is defined as the middlemost or the central value of the variable in set of observation. So when the observations are arranged either in ascending order or in descending order of their magnitude, so it divides the arranged series into equal part, and the median is position average, whereas the arithmetic mean is the mathematical average. So when a series consists of an even number of atoms, so median is the arithmetic mean of two central atoms. Got it now? And it is denoted by capital M. So it means that if observations in population or sample are arranged in order to magnitude from smallest size to largest size, so it is represented as y1, y2, y3 and so on. That is a yn. So the bracket on either side of the number shows that they are arranged in order. So then the middle values or the average of the two values which gives the median, and which is another measure of the central tendency. For example, the median set of data. Here median, in case of the median set of data 257. Okay, 1 minute is 1 minute wait for here. I will show one chart for the median. uh, I will show you share one chart 2, 5, 7, 10, 12. The median value is 7, and that of another set is set 2, 5, 7. Okay, 5, 7, 9, 10, 12. So the median value is 7 plus 9 divided by 2 is equal to 8. Sometimes median is defined as a value from which half the remaining values are greater or equal, then the other half are less than the equal to median. Means it can be calculated by, if there is a odd number present, so n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, and then so that we calculate the average of the two values. And frequency distribution table and the histograms can also be used for the calculation of median also. And now start the mode. So what is a mode? Mode is that observation which occurs most frequently in a frequency distribution. Means a value in a series which occurs most frequently in a frequency distribution. Mode is that variate which has maximum frequency. In other words, mode represent the value which is most frequent or typical or the predominant value. For example, in the series here I will show here data, original data and their mode values, such as for example in case of first value 2, 3, 4, 6, 6, 7, 7. So one mode here present in this data, that is 6, means most frequently repeated value. 2, 4, 5, 5, 7, 8, 8, 9 in second set of data. So two modes are present there, that is 5, 8. So means for example in the series there is a most frequent value, and that mode is also known as the norm. Also, if several samples are drawn from the population, the important value which appears repeatedly in all the samples is called the mode. According to Kenny and Ripura, the value of the variable which occurs most frequently in a distribution is called the mode. Means most frequent value in the data. So mode can be calculated by some factors such as in sample series or discrete series, or the in continuous series also. So mode can be calculated here. And what are the uses of the modes and the merits and demerits of the mode? So its use is increasing every day, especially in the field of the business. For instance, if you know the size of the shoe, the sale of which is the greatest in the market. So if we know that, this is the very important significance of the node. Mo- if we know the model size of the shoe, we can keep the labor engaged in the play of period by getting prepared the shoes of the model size. That's why the businessman of today also possesses this type of statistics with them. And in this way, we shall find the business forecasting is particularly based on the modal values. Meteorological forecasting is also based on the modal value. What are the merits and demerits? So, merits, it is easily comprehensible. It can be obtained simply by inspection. The neither the extremes are needed in its computation nor if it is affected by them. What are the demerits of the mode? In many cases, there is a no single and well defined mode. So in that condition, we face the problems for calculating the mode. Its computation is not based on all the observation. When there are more than one mode in the series, it becomes very difficult and takes much time to compute it. It is unsuitable for any algebraic treatment. If it is not at all useful in cases where it is desirable to give weight to extreme values. If any set of observation where there are very small differences among the atoms of the same size, so modes does not prove to be good representative. So this is the merits and demerits of the mode, and here finish the mean, mode and the median. So students, thank you very much.